Hi, this is a video how to settings Galaxy 5G mobile Wi-Fi. Let's check it out. Warning. On the communication mode menu, select standard, don't choose plus area, because if you choose plus area you will be charged an additional fee of 1000 yen. If you want to change the language, tap the 3 line on the corner, then follow the steps on this video. Let's go to the step to settings Pocket Wi-Fi. Step 1. Open your Pocket Wi-Fi, tap 3 line on the corner to open menu, then tap communication settings, and then tap data usage. Follow the settings like this video. Step 2. Select Wi-Fi menu, then change the SSID and password. Step 3. You can settings from website too. Go to System Settings and tap Web Settings, then scan the QR code with your phone. And done. Hope this video can be useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and follow our Facebook page. Thank you.